Okay, let's go.
For centuries, wood has been our partner in creation. Homes, tools, ships, all born from the forest. From the earliest days of civilization, wood has shaped our world, providing shelter, warmth, and the means to explore new horizons. Its natural beauty and versatility have inspired generations of craftsmen and builders, leaving a legacy etched into the very fabric of our history. But in our quest for bigger, faster, and stronger, we've turned to steel and concrete, forgetting the honest beauty of timber. Modern cities rise on the backs of these materials, and wood, once the backbone of progress, has often been left behind, seen as old-fashioned or too fragile for the demands of today's world. Today, that's about to change. A new chapter in the story of wood is beginning, one that bridges the wisdom of the past with the innovation of the future. Imagine a material with the soul of oak and the strength of steel, lighter than pine, tougher than metal. This is Superwood. It's a breakthrough that combines the warmth and character of natural wood with performance that rivals the toughest man-made materials. Superwood is engineered to withstand the elements, resist wear, and open up new possibilities for design and construction. It's not science fiction, it's a revolution, nature's design, perfected by human ingenuity. Through advanced technology and a deep respect for the environment, Superwood is crafted to be both sustainable and extraordinary. Superwood is a promise to build a future that honors the craft, respects the environment, and redefines what wood can do. It's about creating a world where innovation and tradition walk hand in hand, and where every project leaves a lighter footprint on the earth. It's for builders, woodworkers, and anyone who believes in making things with their own hands. Whether you're designing a skyscraper or carving a family heirloom, Superwood empowers you to dream bigger and build better. We'll explore what Superwood is, how it's made, and why it matters, not just for the future of construction, but for the future of our planet. The age of Superwood is here. It's a new era for wood, where sustainability meets strength, and imagination is the only limit. Let's see what it can do, and discover how Superwood is set to transform the way we build, create, and live. For a century, steel and concrete have shaped our skylines, strong, but at a heavy cost. Their production devours energy and spews carbon, leaving a massive environmental footprint. Transporting and assembling these materials requires brute force, not elegance. Steel and concrete are finite, mined from the earth, and their use is unsustainable. They're cold, unyielding, and demand constant maintenance. We've traded the warmth of wood for the roar of the furnace. It's time for a change. The world needs a material that's strong, reliable, and kind to the earth. We need a solution born from the land, not ripped from it. Superwood is that solution. Renewable, strong, and sustainable. The stage is set for a new hero. It smells faintly of sawdust and progress. Let's meet it. So, what is Superwood? It's real wood, like balsa or pine, transformed by science. Not a composite, not plastic, not particle board. Through densification and chemical treatment, humble timber becomes extraordinary. Superwood keeps the beauty and workability of wood, but gains the strength of steel. Pound for pound, it's stronger than many metals. It's lightweight, easy to transport, and simple to assemble. Fire-resistant, termite-proof, and rot-proof. It's built to last in any climate. Made from fast-growing, sustainable trees, it's eco-friendly and carbon-sequestering. Developed by Dr. Liangbing Hu's team at the University of Maryland, Superwood unlocks wood's hidden potential. They saw cellulose fibers, nature's carbon fiber, and packed them tighter than ever before. The result? A material that works with nature, not against it. Superwood is a game changer. It's the future of building. Let's see how it's made. Turning ordinary wood into superwood is a fascinating blend of cutting-edge science and traditional craftsmanship. It's a process that transforms a humble, natural material into something extraordinary, stronger, denser, and more versatile than ever before. The journey begins in carefully managed forests, where sustainable, fast-growing trees like balsa, poplar, or pine are selected. These species are chosen not just for their rapid growth, but also for their renewable nature, making Superwood an eco-friendly innovation from the very start. Once harvested, the wood is cut into planks and immersed in a specially formulated chemical solution. This step is crucial. It removes much of the lignin and hemicellulose, the natural components that give wood its rigidity but also limit its flexibility and strength. After this chemical bath, the wood becomes surprisingly flexible and pliable, almost like a sheet of thick, bendable paper. This flexibility is key for the next stage of transformation. The softened planks are then placed in a powerful hot press. Here, immense pressure and heat are applied, collapsing the cell walls and squeezing out water in empty spaces. This compression process is what gives superwood its remarkable density and strength. On a microscopic level, the cellulose fibers are now packed tightly together, forming strong hydrogen bonds. These bonds are the secret to superwood's incredible toughness, making it far more resilient than untreated wood. The end result is a dense, hard, super strong timber, about 1/5 its original thickness and over 10 times stronger. It's a material that rivals even some metals in strength, yet remains lightweight and easy to work with. Emerging from the press, superwood is ready for tasks that ordinary wood could never handle, whether it's in construction, furniture, or even advanced engineering applications. The entire process is designed to be efficient and sustainable, producing minimal waste and making the most of every piece of wood. It's a true masterclass in material science, combining nature's ingenuity with human innovation to create something entirely new. From a soft, flexible plank to a super material, superwood is born through this remarkable transformation. Now, let's step into the workshop and discover the endless possibilities of what you can create with superwood. For woodworkers, superwood is both familiar and new. It works with your favorite tools, saws, routers, hand planes, just like traditional wood. The densification process deepens the color and enhances the grain, giving even pine the look of exotic hardwood. Superwood's strength allows for slender, gravity-defying designs and outdoor projects that resist rot, insects, and weather. Its stability means it won't warp or swell, making it perfect for precision work. You get the beauty of rare woods without harming forests. Superwood lets you build lasting, sustainable pieces with a clear conscience. It's a win for your craft and the planet. The possibilities are endless. Let's build something extraordinary. Superwood's impact goes far beyond the workshop. It's not just a material, it's a revolution in how we think about building, living, and moving through the world. Every plank represents a leap forward in technology and sustainability, blending the warmth of natural wood with the strength of advanced engineering. In construction, superwood can replace traditional steel beams, making buildings lighter, faster, and cheaper to assemble. Its unique properties allow architects and engineers to design structures that are both beautiful and resilient, opening up new possibilities for creative, eco-friendly architecture. Prefabricated superwood panels offer strength, insulation, and fire resistance, ideal for homes, disaster relief, and sustainable architecture. These panels can be quickly transported and assembled, providing safe shelter in record time and helping communities recover from natural disasters more efficiently. Imagine safer, longer-lasting houses that protect both people and the planet. Superwood homes are designed to stand the test of time, reducing maintenance costs and environmental impact while offering comfort and security for generations. Superwood's lightweight strength is perfect for cars, trains, and planes, improving fuel efficiency and safety. By replacing heavier materials, it helps vehicles go farther on less energy, while also enhancing crash protection and passenger comfort. It's a game-changer for public spaces, from airport floors to park benches. Superwood's durability and beauty make it ideal for high-traffic areas, where it can withstand daily wear and tear, while maintaining its elegant appearance. Even wind turbine blades and concert halls can benefit from its durability and acoustic properties. Superwood helps harness renewable energy and create spaces with superior sound quality, supporting both innovation and the arts. Superwood is versatile, sustainable, and ready to transform industries. From construction and transportation to design and energy, its applications are nearly limitless, making it a cornerstone of the green revolution. From your chair to your home to your car, it's quietly reshaping the world. Superwood is already part of everyday life, making the spaces we live, work, and travel in more sustainable and beautiful. The future is being built, one superwood plank at a time. Each piece is a step toward a cleaner, smarter, and more sustainable tomorrow. Are you ready to be part of it? The next chapter in building innovation is unfolding, and you can help shape it. Let's talk about working with Superwood. Whether you're a builder, designer, or simply curious, there's a place for you in this movement. Here's what you need to know to get started with this remarkable material. Superwood is dense. Think exotic hardwood or even soft metal. Use sharp, carbide-tipped blades and bits for best results. Cut slowly and let the tool do the work. Fine dust means good dust collection is essential. Drill with care, using a drill press and backing scrap for clean holes. Finishing is easy. Just a light sanding and a film finish like lacquer or varnish. Outdoors, Superwood needs no finish. It weathers beautifully. Always wear safety glasses and a dust mask. Respect the material's strength and your tools. With a few adjustments, Superwood is a joy to work with. Skill and care unlock its full potential. Superwood isn't just a new material, it's a new way of thinking. It bridges progress and nature, offering strength without sacrificing the planet. Architects and builders can design beautiful, efficient, low-carbon structures. Every Superwood beam sequesters carbon, fighting climate change from the ground up. For craftspeople, it elevates woodworking, stronger, finer, and more sustainable. Exotic looks are now accessible without harming rainforests. Superwood connects our passion for making with a purpose. Caring for the world. It's hope made tangible, a future where technology and nature work together. The revolution starts in the lab, moves to the workshop, and rebuilds our world. Superwood is the super material of the future. We've explored what Superwood is, how it's made, and why it matters, but its story is just beginning, and you're the author. Superwood's true value lies in what you create with it. Imagine a musical instrument, a weatherproof workbench, a sleek canoe, or a business building beautiful rot-proof garden beds. The possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. This is your invitation to join the next chapter of craftsmanship. Dream, sketch, and share your vision. Let's start a conversation about what we can build with this remarkable material. The future isn't something that happens to us, it's something we build together. So, what will you create? I can't wait to see.